Rule 11U, expression used in determination of fair market value in all situations of valuation under Income Tax Act 1961. So friends, this Rule 11U is a rule that explains different expressions which are used in the context of determination of fair value of different assets under different situations under the Companies Act. So, what these expressions are? These expressions are: number one, balance sheet. So, this Rule 11UA explains as to what the balance sheet is, and you do not have to worry about it because the definition of the balance sheet, as per Rule 11U, is not any way different than the definition of the balance sheet that we understand in the normal case. Then it talks about merchant banker. Who is a merchant banker? So it defines that the merchant banker is someone who is registered with SEBI as a category 1 merchant banker. Then it talks about quoted shares or securities. So the quoted shares and securities are as per the Securities Contract and Regulation Act, and that is how it defines the quoted shares or securities. Again, it talks about is the recognized stock exchanges, and again the recognized stock exchanges as per the Securities and Contract Regulation Act. It talks about the registered dealer. So registered dealer is defined as someone who is registered under the sales tax laws. So previously obviously it was the sales tax, and now it would be GST. It also talks about a registered valuer, and what does it mean by registered valuer under the and for the purpose of Rule 11U. The meaning of valuer as per Rule 11U is someone who is registered as a valuer under the Wealth Tax Act, and the same person who is registered as a valuer under the provisions of Wealth Tax Act, he is referred as a registered valuer as far as the Rule 11U is concerned. It talks about securities. Again, securities are same as defined under the Securities Contract Regulation Act. It talks about unquoted shares and the securities. Again, it is same as defined under the Securities Contracts and Regulation Act. And then it talks about the valuation date, which again, as all we understand. So what is the valuation? Valuation date is the date which is supposed to be the date on which the valuation has to be done, or with reference to which the valuation has to be done. So friends, these are the 9 expressions which are defined in Rule 11U of the income tax rules. So number one, for all of us, it is absolutely imperative and necessary to become aware as to what the Rule 11U is about. And the Rule 11U is about expressions used in determination of fair market value as per the Rule 11UA and thereafter.